If you've run into the frustrating Roblox error that says this experience is unavailable due to your account settings, don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this. First, let's talk about why you might be getting this error. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings message. Typically appears when there's a setting on your Roblox account that's restricting access to certain games or experience. This can happen for a few reasons, like your privacy settings blocking access to certain content, you trying to access a game that has an age restriction, parental controls, or more. Now, first things first, let's check your account privacy settings. Open Roblox and log into your account. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner and go to settings. Now, click on privacy tab on the left side. Now, if you have this set to no one or have two strict privacy settings for who can join me in games and who can message me, this some games will be unavailable and you'll see the error message. Change this to a more open settings if needed. Some games on Roblox are only available to users above a certain age. If your account is set to a younger age, Roblox may block access to these games. Make sure to change or check your birth date and make sure it is set correctly. Now, if your account is under a parental control, those settings may be blocking certain experiences as well. Here's how to check. Now, if you logged into a parent managed account, ask the account owner to log in their Roblox parent dashboard. Go to privacy settings. Make sure that the experience restrictions are set to a level that allows access to a broader range of games. And that's it. Those are some few easy fixes to resolve this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on Roblox.